Okay, I already switched over this. I already replaced this hose. And let's see, it's pulling a very good vacuum. So now I need to swap pumps. So let me turn this on. It's got plenty of oil. Yeah, it's got plenty of oil. I'm sorry. So sorry. It's pulling it's pulling it. It's pulling a decent vacuum. It's going down, but that's all we can do. This one's getting too hot because it's been on for 4 days straight. So now I gotta go to this one, and I was having problems getting this hose into this part. So, but even though I put some clamps on it, it might still be a bit of a that might still be the problem. But I don't know. The problem might be this. Sorry, problem might be this bar. I might not have it on quite all the way. Same with this bar, which I can. Same with this bar, which I can check after I turn it off and back it up to move it. But yeah. That's all I can do. But all right, come back and see the results, everybody. Thank you, and have a blessed day.